So now talk about the nerves of scalp and superficial temporal region. We divide the nerves of scalp and superficial temporal region into two parts. One is in front of auricle and second is behind the auricle. In front of auricle there are four sensory, and behind the auricle there are four sensory. In front of auricle there is one motor, behind the auricle there is one motor. It means 5 nerves in front of auricle, 5 nerves behind the auricle. 4 are sensory and 1 motor in each of them. Okay, now first we talk about in front of the auricle, sensory nerves in front of the auricle. There is supratrochlear, supraorbital, zygomaticotemporal, auriculotemporal. Behind the auricle, sensory nerves are posterior division of great auricular nerve, lesser occipital nerve, greater occipital nerve, third occipital nerve. You can remember with PG, low go to, low go to. So this is behind the auricle. And motor nerves in front of auricle is temporal branch of facial nerve, behind the auricle is posterior auricular branch of facial nerve. So what I have said, 4 sensory nerves in front of auricle, 4 sensory nerves behind the auricle, 1 motor in front of auricle, 1 motor in behind the auricle. Temporal branch of facial nerve in front of auricle, this is motor. Posterior behind the nerve behind the auricle, posterior auricular branch of facial nerve. This is facial, this is facial. It means facial nerve is giving motor supply in front of auricular and behind the auricle. In front of auricle temporal branch, behind the auricle posterior auricular branch. So if we talk from where these nerves are forming, supratrochlear branch of frontal nerve, ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve, supraorbital branch of frontal nerve, ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve, zygomaticotemporal branch of zygomatic nerve, maxillary division of trigeminal nerve, auriculotemporal branch of mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. So we are seeing that in front of auricle, mainly trigeminal nerve is supplying the sensory innervation, and behind the auricle, posterior division of great auricular nerve from cervical plexus, lesser occipital from cervical plexus, greater occipital dorsal ms C2, third occipital dorsal ms C3. So in front basically cervical plexus C2, C3 dorsal ms are supplying behind the auricle, behind the auricle. In front of auricle, trigeminal nerve is mainly supplying, and behind the auricle, cervical plexus and dorsal ms C2, C3 is supplying sensory innervation. So move towards diagram. So here you are seeing diagram of nerves. This is supratrochlear, this is supraorbital, and this nerve is zygomaticotemporal. This is temporal branch of facial nerve, this is motor, and auriculotemporal nerve. This was in front of auricle. Now move toward behind the auricle. So this is posterior division of great auricular nerve, this is posterior auricular, this is motor, and lesser occipital, greater occipital, and third occipital. One thing you remember, in front of auricle, 1 sensory, then there is motor. Behind auricle, 1 sensory, then there is motor. So it is you can easily remember where is motor nerve is located, and all other are sensory. These are sensory. These are sensory. This one is also sensory. This one is also sensory. Only 1 motor in front and only 1 motor behind the auricle. So this is all about the nervous system. Innervation of the face scalp. So if we talk about the lymphatic drainage of scalp, there are 2 things to remember. The anterior part of the scalp drains into the auricular or parotid lymph nodes. Anterior part of scalp where drain auricular lymph nodes situated on the surface of parotid gland. The posterior part of the scalp drains into posterior auricle, armostoid, and occipital lymph nodes. So there 3 nodes are 3 major nodes are auricle lymph nodes in anterior part of the scalp, posterior auricle, armostoid, occipital lymph nodes. As far as lymphatic drainage of the scalp is concerned, three things you should have to remember. The anterior part of the scalp drain into auricular are known as parotid lymph nodes, and the posterior part of the scalp drains into posterior auricular or mastoid and occipital lymph nodes. Auricular, posterior auricular, and occipital lymph nodes. Okay, this is about the lymphatic drainage of the scalp.